Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Kisshi dental repair mineral powder. So you should use this powder or not, and what are the problems of this product. Is this really worthy for you or not? Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I want to tell you, this product is easily available on amazon.com with different names. Okay, and the same product is also available on Google with different names. So the same product is available with different names will make some kind of concern, like is this really trustworthy, and who is the original manufacturer of the product. Okay, so there is a lack of information who is the real, or you can say who is the original manufacturer of the product, because in today's time hundreds and thousands of websites are selling same product, but the name of the product is totally different, but the product is 100% same, or you can say copy paste product. Okay, so there is a very big concern about the product trustworthy, and there is also one big concern, this will really work for you or not, and there is a lack of information related to results and all the videos, or you can say all the information available on internet, all are looking paid reviews and all. So you need to be very careful before using these kind of product, because you have to put this product in your mouth, and as you know, mouth is a very sensitive part of our body, and how you can put your any type of powder in your mouth without doctor consultation and without any verification and all. So there are lots of issues. So now you are a smart person, you can make your own decision what you have to do. I have provided you lots of proof. Now you can do anything whatever you want. So this is the information. Now your turn. If you have any experience, you can share your experience, and where you have seen your this kind of advertisement, please share this thing also in our comment section. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and please share your thoughts in our comment section. Okay, bye bye.